Hello everyone, welcome to Jumperman Tech, and today I'm going to be installing these 7-inch LED light bars on my work truck. Let's get to it. So here are the lights. It comes with two 7-inch LED light bars, and I also purchased the wiring harness. It all came in one set. The wiring harness obviously comes with your wire. Comes with the relay, fuse, comes with your switch, and all your connections you need to make, these solderless connections to get this to work. Let's get to it. So it came with a bracket, with the hardware, and an Allen key. So I'm going to set this up. And next we're going to pick a location where we want to mount this. So next I picked a location on my truck where I want to mount them. Right now they're just sitting on top of the bumper, so that's why they're crooked. So I picked my location. Next I'm going to mark my holes, and then I can mount my two lights. Shove the bolt in the hole, and you can tighten it up with the nut provided. Next, you repeat the process for the next side. The mounting plate is adjustable. Just loosen these two screws. Find the right position for your vehicle. Alright, so my lights are now mounted, and now we can move on to the next step, the fun part, which is the wiring. Here's a quick look at the wiring diagram. Pause the video so you can get a better look. Moving on. So we're going to start with one end of the wiring harness. These two connections right here get connected to your lights. So next, moving down the line from your lights is your relay. Everything's already basically connected for you. You have two connections that you need to make. You have a black and you have a red wire. So the black is going to go to your negative on your battery, and the red wire is going to go to the positive on your car battery. Next, if you follow the wires leaving the relay, this is white wire, and that's going to get connected into this right here. One side is your switch, which is already connected, don't have to do anything there. And then you have these two wires, you have a red and a black. So your black connection is going to go to the negative on your car battery, and this red connection is going to go to your ACC. The ACC for my car I'm going to find the 12 volts underneath my car dash at the fuse box. To make things easier, the black wire coming from the switch you can ground to any metal near the fuse panel, and the red wire you can connect to your ACC. Alright, so our lights are mounted. Ran the wires, connected them. So the wire comes up right here. So here's my fuse. The relay is actually just tie wrapped to right here. Since the black wire was so short, I just tie wrapped it and connected it right here. So coming from the relay, we had the red and the black wire. Here's my black wire, and it's connected to the negative from the battery. And coming up is my red wire, and that is connected to the positive on the battery. Our white wire travels across and eventually makes its way inside of the car. Alright, so now we're inside of the car. So our black wire was grounded to metal right here. Our switch which just ran inside of the car. Everything is already wired. And then our red wire, which is connected to ACC. And the way what that means is that you want this wired to an accessory. So for me, I didn't make a good connection. It was only a temporary connection, but I actually ran this into the fuse right down there at 5 amp fuse, and that fuse is for the window wipers. So when the car is off, there is no voltage on that wire, and when the car is on, we have our 12 volts to energize the switch. You want it wired this way because you don't want this LED light on this switch to be running all the time. So now the car is off, you can see that the 2 LED lights are off as well. Alright, the video is dark, so you can see the light come on. So right now the car is off. I just put my key in. I'm gonna, right there, all our accessories just turned on, like our radio and stuff like that. I'm gonna start the car. You can see the green light. Press it and we see a red light. So when the red LED light is on, this indicates that our lights are off. If I press the switch, we switch over to a green LED. And the green LED represents that our lights are on. Let's check, and our lights are on. Now that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so we have our light energized with the green LED. I'm gonna turn our lights off. We still have the red light. And when I turn off the car, everything should go dim. Alright, so I'm driving right now. Got my regular lights on. There you go. Lights are super bright. If it was pitch black, you would really see the difference, but if anybody found this video helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time.